In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira for IT teams and help desks. We'll start by creating an IT service project, which is the foundation for organizing support requests and incidents in one place. First, log into Jira, then go to Projects and choose Create Project. From there, select Jira Service Management. You'll then choose a template that fits your team's needs, such as IT Service Management, Service Request Management, or Incident Management. After that, enter your project details and click Create. Choosing the right template from the beginning makes setup easier and helps your team follow a more consistent support process. Next, open your IT service project and go into Project Settings, then Request Types. This is where you define the kinds of support requests employees can submit. Common request types include hardware requests, software installation, password reset, access requests, and general IT support issues. Setting these up clearly helps users choose the right form and gives your team better information right from the start. Once that's done, move to Project Settings and then Portal Settings to configure the customer portal. Here, you can customize the portal name, add a welcome message, and upload a logo so the experience feels polished and easy to recognize. You should also organize request types into categories so the portal is easier to navigate. After everything looks good, share the portal link with employees so they know where to go for support. As requests begin coming in, users can submit them through the portal or by email, and Jira will automatically create tickets. IT agents can then review each request, assign it to the correct team member, and update the status as work moves forward. A simple workflow might include open, in progress, waiting for user, resolved, and closed. Keeping statuses updated is important because it improves visibility for both the IT team and the person who submitted the request. For service disruptions, create an incident issue. Be sure to include the impact, affected users, priority, and the steps taken toward resolution. Then assign the incident to the appropriate IT team and track recovery progress carefully so everyone stays aligned during urgent situations. You can also set up SLAs by going to Project Settings and selecting SLAs. Create response and resolution targets based on priority, such as a 1-hour response for critical issues, 4 hours for high priority, and 1 day for normal requests. Monitoring SLA timers on tickets helps your team stay on target. To save time, go to Project Settings and open Automation. Create rules to auto-assign tickets by category, send reminders for overdue requests, notify users when tickets are resolved, and escalate high-priority incidents. Finally, open dashboards and create an IT support dashboard. Add gadgets for open tickets, SLA performance, issue volume, and resolution time. Regularly reviewing these reports helps you spot trends and improve service quality over time.